Yes, my people, Ajeno Tofeni Oyenefe Kine. Before the end of this video, I go show una, for those of una wey don't know, I go show una how una go fit access the monthly allocations. All the money where they send, they go your local government. You go to see how much they enter. I go show una how to fit get access to all the money where they reach your local government through your local government chairman. So you go try watch this video to the end. But before then, I go give una updates concerning our brother where they demand for our account, our councillor, the only councillor for the history of Delta State. I think for the history of Nigeria as well, where don't come out to demand for accounts through the local government chairman and the treasurer. Say, come show me how you take dey spend this money, all the allocations where they enter the local government. Come show me how you take dey spend am. Na wetin cause problem, na wetin come cause the problem. Dem reach court, dem suspend am. Today dem don still remind am for Gwashuku correctional center. Today make am 21 days when he don dey there, and mind you, he don still spend 7 days for police detention for Asaba before the remind. So my brothers and sisters, this one na clear oppression. We dey see am, and if you observe well, our media, especially for within our Andokwa, all those our Andokwa bloggers, our media not to dey carry this case again. You know why? I go tell you, because the people where they behind this matter, they dey try to shut down the media. They try to make it be say media is not going to talk about this matter. Media not going to talk about the case. People not go they talk about the guy case again. Now waiting, I done this from my investigations. Now waiting, I don't discover. Say they go around, they go meet A, B, C. I beg not talk about this guy matter again. Not a poster. Leave this guy, make he dey there, make he suffer. But somebody like me, when they preach about grassroots, I believe in my grassroots. I believe say, if we go fit strengthen our grassroots and hold our grassroots responsible and accountable, I believe say grassroots could do better. Our grassroots go do better. You go see say yes, all the communities where they your local government, things go dey happen, because not be small money they enter the local government every month. That one not join the annual budget too. That one not join the revenue where they say that they raise from the local government too. That one not join. So my brothers and sisters, I go read this statement concerning our brother, the Honorable Councillor, Honorable Chukwemeka K. Victor. If I read and finish for now, then I will come show now how una go fit the assess the monthly allocations. But what I not go fit show now the expenditures. Now why it be say una need to the question una local government chairman demand for your account. Make you know you get the right. Make you know why, how the local government chairman and the treasurer and the team they spend this money. Thank you, my people. Yeah, this is it, and I read 7 days in police detention, 21 days at the correctional center. Victor Chukwemeka, councillor representing Ward 19, Ezionum, Okwani local government, legislative arm, Delta State. Dear Nigerians, this is Victor Chukwemeka, councillor representing Ward 19, Okwani local government, legislative arm, Delta State. In January 2026, Victor took the council chairman, treasurer of the council to court demanding accountability of income and expenditure of the local government after several frustrated errors to move motions in the floor of the Legislative House. On 12th May 2026, Victor got a landmark judgment in his favor and in the favor of the people of the local government. In a dramatic turn of event, the same judge who delivered the judgment vacated it. Wow. Victor went to Arise TV on 21st June 2026 to discuss the injustice of Okwani people. Victor, through his lawyer, filed stay of execution on the ruling vacating the orders of the judgment, and also filed notice of appeal. Victor was subsequently invited by an order of the same judge. Upon appearance at the court, Victor was harassed and abducted by police without police invitation. After 48 hours in detention of the State Intelligence Department MPF headquarters, Asaba, Delta State, Victor, who was denied administrative bail, was hurriedly arraigned at the Federal High Court, Asaba. Victor, through his lawyer, filed bail application upon arraignment, was denied bail, and was remanded in Ogwashuku Correctional Center on the order of the court. Victor has been on suspension as a counselor on an indefinite period without salary and benefits since December 2025 for demanding financial accountability in his local government council. It is a question of accountability. What is holding back Okwani local government chairman, Honorable Chiamaka Solomon Possible Ajede, or the treasurer from publishing the income and expenditure of the council as contained in the judgment? Why did the judge vacate the judgment? The best answer to disprove allegations made on Arise TV is to publish, declare, and make public the monthly income and expenditure of the council. It is obligatory and not discretionary. Incarceration won't provide answers to these questions. Free Victor now, free Chukwemeka Victor. You type www.ourlgamoney.com, then you hit on enter. It brings you to this page, and this notification pops up. This notification is to tell you where the source of all this account is coming from. You see, the Nigerian Bureau of Statistics, FAC. FAC means Federation Account Allocation Committee. Yeah, that's it. Federation Account Allocation Committee. So that's the source. These are the people that that deals with all the allocation money that is being disbursed. You know, they tell you how much. So that's the source. So you come here and you type on your local government, Okwani. I am from Okwani, so I'm typing Okwani. You see Okwani Delta State pops up. You hit on it and it takes you to the allocations, monthly allocations that Okwani has been getting. You see, this one it was updated last April. I don't know why it's not updated yet, but this is the last one. You can see it, April. So in the month of April, we got 507,056,000. So if you go down, you see the one of last December. You see December 400, that's December 2025, 432 million. Then January 523 million, March 480 million, April 507 million. So if you go on other local governments, you see there are different allocation. So local government get money. Now why are they saying make grassroots? Make we just go back to our grassroots. You can check every other local government. So my Okwani people, una don't see how much we dey get for allocation every month. Make una ask una chairman, our chairman, Honorable Possible Chiamaka Ajede. Wetin you dey use this money they do? Forget all this cosmetic project where you dey do recently because say they don't dey call you out for account. Wetin you dey use this money they do? Make I believe say salary na like 100 million naira. You dey use 100 million take pay salary. The remaining million 400 million plus. Wetin you dey use and they do? This money they come every month. Make una ask our oga local government chairman, wetin you dey use the money they do. If you come and ask for account, wetin they go do now to arrest you, to shut you up. You see my people, make una shine your eyes very well.
What you just saw is not only peculiar to Okwani local government in Delta State. I can tell you categorically that these same issues is what you will see in the entire 9 local government of Delta North constituency. And by extension, this same thing is what you will see in the entire 25 local government of Delta State. And you'll be shocked that this same thing is what you will see in the 774 local government of all the local government in the entire Nigeria. This is why some people were crying that local government autonomy will not favor the masses. The intention of the government to allow the local government to receive their allocation directly so that money comes to them and they will use it in the local government for the development. But funny enough, the local government chairman are now doing worse than what the president and the ministers are doing. The local government chairman are now worse than the governors of the state. This is just one example. And when people like us are shouting, be involved in politics, so many of you fail to understand. It is only when you are involved in politics, down to your grassroots, down to your local government, down to your councillor, you will be able to vote a better person in your local government. I keep saying it. We know that the president is bad. We know that the ministers are bad. But I'm telling you that the man who will be your councillor, the smallest unit, must be someone you know in your village, in your locality. So you'll be able to say, this person no go be our councillor, this person cannot be our councillor. At least that one, even if anybody want to rig it, you can, all of you in the village can stand and say, this person cannot rig this election. And by the time you get a good councillor, like what Chukwuemeka is doing today, would have been done in all the 774 local government of Nigeria. When you get a good councillor, it's easier for you people to vote the right people in the local government. Because if you have the right person in the local government, they will use their money well. Look at how much is coming to the local government. As of the month of April, 500 million, half of a billion enter a local government like Ukwan, but no single project. Ukwani is the worst. Look, Ukwani and Ndokwas, that constituency with the 3 local governments, are one of the worst federal constituency in the whole of Nigeria. It's one of the worst. Meanwhile, they have 9 functioning oil well to serve the Delta state. And such allocation will come to Delta, go down to the local government. Nobody is using it to do anything for the masses. Now, the only councillor who has the guts to ask for accountability, what are we using this money to do? No road, no hospital, no good school, no security, no infrastructure, no good company to employ the masses. They arrest them, put them for jail. And everybody keep quiet. If na juju, it no go work. What is actually happening to us in Nigeria? That everybody feel nonchalant when issues like this come up. This is supposed to be a trending topic that everybody go carry and put for head. Because this is the only way you can checkmate every other local government. No, everybody's online. Now VDM they talk about. Some people are online talking about Big Brother Nigeria. Matters that will save you, you will not talk about. Those when people are not quiet. Like this young man said that they are going up and down threatening people not to say it. It's high time you will stop fearing. You talk, you die. If you don't talk, you die. The council will talk, they put them for jail. So what else are you expecting? Even you, they will. It's high time you talk. But the best way for you to speak is for you to be involved in politics. Election is coming in 2027. Are you ready to cast your vote and defend it? Are you ready? Are you ready to cast your vote and defend it? And like I told you, it has nothing to do with political party. This guy that is in prison is an APC member. Oh. So you can actually have a good person in APC who is ready for accountability, who has integrity, who wants to do work for the people. It has nothing to do with political party. Peter Mba is working in Enugu State, even though he was formerly a PDP member. But Peter Mba is working in Enugu State. He's an APC member. You must understand this. It's high time we come out and be involved in politics. This is why I've been shouting. Stop giving an excuse that our vote does not count. Your vote counts in your local government. Your vote counts in your councillorship election. Your vote counts in your federal representative. Your vote counts. Even ECOWAS recognized that our vote counts when they did the National Assembly election. This is why people like Ngozi Okonjo can use Labour to win people like Ndudu Elumelu, who has been a member of the House of Representatives here in Delta State. Because your vote counts. It can be uploaded. It is the state and the federal and the presidency that they can go, and it's because you people don't see turn out in masses and defend their votes. Please, everybody should repost, share, and comment on this video. We need to educate our people to know what is happening, how to see their location in detention now. Is a man, a counselor, asking for accountability, asking for the expenditure. These monies that have been coming, how have you been spending it? What project are you using it for? What infrastructure are you putting in place? Salary are they being paid? Are they owing people? Are they ghost workers that are collecting from? We're going to look into the case of this Okwan local government chairman who, instead of showing accountability, decided to arrest one man. And I can tell you, I know he's not the local government chairman that is fueling the arrest. There's a superior people behind it that will want them to arrest this guy. Because what this guy is questioning the local government chairman is what will shake the foundation of all the local government chairman, not only in Delta, but the entire Nigeria. If all we team up to ask for accountability on this issue. I'm out of here.